You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this famous German name, the name of a famous mathematician. Here we need to hear and learn the German pronunciation and how you can easily say it correctly in English. For more mathematician names, stay tuned, many more videos for you at the end of this one. The German pronunciation first, alright, as a reference. Schwarz, which means black. Schwarzschild, alright, so it's not Schwarz, it's the W is pronounced like a V, alright, so Schwarz, not Schwarz. And then Schild, not child, not sh. Schwarzschild. Schwarzschild. Now, if you cannot pronounce German perfectly, Schwarzschild. 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 As in the Schwarzschild radius or Karl. I struggle. Schwarzschild, black hole. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.